you all are doing great, and most importantly, you people are safe in this pandemic situation. Guys, please be safe at your home, be active at your home. And guys, today's my video is about healthy snacks, like snacks which are both healthy and tasty. 5 different types of healthy snacks, guys. And please see this video till end. Please subscribe my channel to get notified whenever I post a new video, and also please hit the like button if you really like this video, and please follow me on Instagram. The link is in my description box below. We are now thinking like this video is boring and all that faltu ka food, but guys, believe me, see this video till end and you will see that I will show you healthy food which are both healthy and tasty. So guys, everyone cares for tasty food, we all know that. So this video is all about healthy and tasty both. A food can be both, guys. I have done some type of research work, and I myself, when I'm on a weight loss journey, that time people crave for unhealthy or outside food mostly in the evening time. We crave for fuchka, we crave for bhel puri and chaat, everything like that sort of food in the evening. So please just don't eat unhealthy food in the evening time, and just eat healthy food in your home and prepare it for yourself. See this video. Please ignore this background sound. I'm sitting in my balcony and construction work is going on side of my flat, so please ignore the sound. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. Here comes the best combo, and it's the first breakfast of ours. It's apple and peanut butter. As we all know that apple and peanut butter is the bestest combo, and if you have not tried it yet, please go and try it today. And for snack out at evening, after workout or before workout, you can have it like any time. If you're not working out in the evening, also if you're working out in the morning, then also you can have it in the evening snacks. Many people also have it like a breakfast, but I prefer to have it like snack. Second snacks of ours, and I'm having it like most probably every second or third day after my workout, for my post-workout meal. And this two things, a cup full of green tea and some chola or chickpeas and some badam, are very good post-workout meal. You can have this. It will give you a lot of energy after your workout, because chola and badams are very good, and green tea, as we all know, is best thing. And some coriander leaves. So I will just add it all to my bowl, my chola mix, and I like it this way to have, and you should give it a try. And I think many people also have it like for evening snacks. If you're in a healthy diet, you must try it, and it also tastes very good. Making healthy laddu, so you will see how I make it with healthy things. Like laddu can be healthy if you are making with healthy ingredients. I have roasted almonds, kaju, peanut, and this kismis. Also take some dates. Here I'm just frying some oats. This is the oats laddu. It's made of oats. So just take some oats in your pan and just fry it for some 5 minutes. I will mix every ingredients in mixer, like oats, kaju, almond, kismis, dates, peanut, everything. I'll just mix, and then I'm showing how to make the laddu. It's ready for the laddus, and I've taken some jaggery and add some water. It's a very healthy thing, guys, I'm telling you. Just heat it up for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep the mixture in the pan well for 2 to 3 minutes, and then make your laddus and the shape you like. My healthy laddus are completed, and it's a very healthy thing, guys, I'm telling you. Please try it in your home. It's healthy plus tasty. Just try it, and you can keep it in your refrigerator. Just give it in a bowl and just keep it and store it, and you can have it anytime you want. Perfectly for snacks after workout or anything. It's a very good type of protein, and it will just fill your appetite. Last snacks of ours, and I know this is the snacks that we all love, like whole country, everyone like momo. And now people will think that how can momo be healthy? So atta momo today. This is the atta dough. Mix it with water, half tablespoon salt and half tablespoon oil. And this is the chicken mixture, like chicken keema. And this is lemon. It's your choice, will give lemon or not. Some coriander leaves, some chili, some onion, and some ginger and garlic. So now I will fry like everything. Oil in the pan. Add some chopped ginger and garlic to a pan and just stir it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add green chili to a pan and add the coriander leaf and the onion. Prepare some small balls for momo, and now I will show you how to prepare. Showing you one, just do how many you want to do. Just showing you one, and I'm doing it like how I'm folding this. Add the chicken keema in your thing, and I will just show you one, and the rest you can do it in own, and can do it in any shape you want. Now steam it for 15 minutes. Foods can be both healthy and tasty. Momos are so tasty and it's made of atta, so it's healthy, as you all know. So please try it in your home, and please let me know in the comment section below that which recipe you liked the most.